Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making a quick craft using the Takeout treats, and this is the water bottle label we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our stamping. I have a piece of Whisper White and the Mary Merlot ink pad. And then we are just going to be using the This Is For You from Takeout Treats. And I have that mounted on clear block B. So just like that. And that is all the stamping we're doing. This is a very simple craft. I'm using my 1 3/4 circle punch. And then I'm going to use my Starburst punch. And I have the Joyous Noel glimmer paper. So pop that out. And then I have the Christmas Bowl builder punch. And I'm going to get my Tranquil Tide. And I'm just going to get the light bulb there. And then I have a piece of the gold foil sheets. And this is why you should save your little scraps, because you never know when you just need a little piece here or there. All right, so we will put this together now. And I have some glue dots, and I'm just going to put 2 here. And then on the top of the light, just like that. And then I'm going to put that on with a glue dot as well, right here. And then I have a piece of the All Is Bright Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 1.5 by 8.5. And I just have a bottle of water. I'm going to take the label that comes with it off. And I'm going to put some tear and tape on one side. And it's kind of sticky, so it makes it a little bit easier to keep it on and centered. And then I'm just going to overlap it, just like that. And then I'm going to take some more tear and tape, put that down right here in the middle of our Starburst. And just like that, a quick and simple favor. I made these for my holiday open house, and they were a huge hit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any of the supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!